Canada to grant legal status for thousands of undocumented construction workers. Yan. A 2023 RBC report found the construction sector is short 64,000 jobs. So guys, Nardino TV here and we are back with another video. So for today guys, good news naman tayo, no? Kasi for the past days, yung mga post natin, makikita nyo naman, halos negative talaga lahat, no? And dahil yun guys, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga nangyayari talaga dito sa Canada without sugarcoating, no? Kung nakaka-experience kami dito ng positive, i-share ko yan sa inyo. Kung meron kami na-experience dito na negative, yun din na makikita nyo sa mga post natin, no? Para makita nyo rin guys kung ano yung experience ng mga nag-i-immigrate dito sa Canada, right? Pero for today, sabi ko nga, we will go naman on the good news side, di ba? So, ito yung nakita nating article today, no? Yan, di ba? Ang ganda, no? Tingnan nyo naman, no? Canada to grant legal status for thousands of undocumented construction workers. Yan. A 2023 RBC report found the construction sector is short 64,000 jobs. Yan. Yan naman guys yung sinasabi ko dun sa mga past natin na mga post, no, na sa ngayon guys, kailangan mo talagang tignan kung ano yung pangangailangan ni Canada at kung swak ba doon yung skill set na meron ka, no? Halimbawa, kung pupunta ka sa isang province, no? Kailangan ang next question mo is, ano ba yung in demand? Right? Yung work experience ko ba o yung mai-offer ko rin na services doon sa province na yon is in demand ba, no? Kasi let's say ang tinapos mo is about IT, no? At ang work experience mo is about IT. At pupunta ka doon sa isang province na ang talagang hinahanap nila is yung mga nagko-construction workers. So, syempre, paano ka ma-hire? 'Di ba? Paano ka magkakaroon ng magandang chance at opportunity na makahanap ng trabaho na magbibigay din sa'yo ng chance for the permanent residency dito sa Canada. Yan. So yan yung news na nakita natin for today, right? So sabi dito, up to 6,000 undocumented construction workers will be given a pathway to gain legal status in Canada. Immigration Minister Mark Miller said in a news conference last Friday, no? These undocumented migrants are already living and working in Canada and are contributing to the sector, Immigration, Refugee, and Citizenship Canada said in a statement. This pathway will keep them here legally so that they can continue to build the homes and our economy and communities need with the proper. Yan guys, kasi nga, bukod sa healthcare, right? Ito guys yung isang lacking or yung talagang pangangailangan ngayon ni Canada. Kailangan nilang mag-build ng maraming housing kasi nga yung surge ng mga immigrants na nagpunta dito talagang marami guys, no? Syempre number one na necessity ng mga nagpupunta dito is yung pabahay, di ba? Kaya guys, ang thinking nila, di ba? So marami daw as per the number, no? Undocumented 6,000 nga daw construction workers. So it makes sense na nangangailangan tayo ng workforce on that sector. Bakit natin sila hindi bigyan ng opportunity and chance na ma-permanent na lang dito? Kesa pauuwiin natin sila and then hahanap na naman tayo ng bagong workers on that sector. Ang sabi pa dito guys, medyo ano na nga daw to, medyo late na, no? Sabi dito, this announcement comes over for 2 years after the federal government said it would be expanding a small-scale pilot that offered permanent residence for out-of-status construction workers who are already working undocumented in the sector here. Ayan. So, parang 2 years ago pa talaga merong plans for this one, no? The exact number of undocumented people in Canada remains uncertain, but federal estimates suggest it could be around 200,000 to 500,000 individuals. Advocacy group Migrant Workers Alliance for Change says the number may be even greater as the country has issued more temporary work and study permits in recent years. So ngayon guys, ang question is, saan nanggagaling yung mga undocumented, no? Sabi dito sa report guys, the vast majority of undocumented resident came to Canada legally only to later lose status because of issues with student visa, temporary work permits, or asylum claims. Yan. So para sa akin guys, it doesn't mean na pag sinabing undocumented is you did something illegal, no? It's just that nung pumasok ka dito sa Canada legally, let's say yung mga nakakuha ng temporary work permits, yung mga pumasok as international students, yung mga ganyan guys, no? So, syempre guys, meron siyang expiration, let's say for 2 years, right? But after 2 years guys, hindi sila nakakahanap ng pathway to permanent residency or to extend their permits. Kaya sila nagiging undocumented kahit na guys na pumasok sila legally dito sa Canada, right? So ngayon, yan daw yung majority na pinanggagalingan ng mga nagiging undocumented dito sa Canada. So with this post, no guys, makikita talaga natin that Canada is really looking to those people na talagang merong maiko-contribute sa mga pagkukulang ngayon ni Canada. Let's say sa housing, di ba? So ang kanilang plano is rather than pauwiin yung mga undocumented na nandito na pumasok naman ng legal, 'di ba? Bigyan na lang sila ng opportunity for permanent residency. Why not? 'Di ba? So, lagi nating point dito is tignan mo yung skill set na meron ka at i-pattern mo doon sa pupuntahan mo na province or kahit doon sa pupuntahan mo na country, kahit na hindi sa Canada, guys, no? So, kung saan man kayo papunta, make sure na iisipin mo hindi lang kung ano yung makukuha mo doon sa country, no? Iisipin mo rin guys kung ano yung maibibigay mo doon sa country para tanggapin ka rin nila at talagang they really want you to stay at bibigyan ka nila ng magandang status. So for this one guys, wala pang talagang final information kung paano nila to i-execute, no? But again, probably in the upcoming weeks or months, magkakaroon ng policy or siguro pilot program, maybe, hindi po natin alam, no? Pero yan po yung article na ating nakita na para po sa mga nasa construction sector na wala pong proper document dito sa Canada na possible bigyan sila ng opportunity ng Canadian government for permanent residency. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. So, again, this is a good news and sana marami pang good news katulad nito. Okay? Thank you for watching guys and see you again on my next video. Peace!